The Early Childhood Technology Certificate Program takes place over one academic year and is completed predominantly online to accommodate busy schedules. Throughout the courses, students gain hands-on practice using a variety of educational robotics kits and programming languages.
You can see their creativity outside of the academic world. You can see different versions of how they retell the story. And it allows you to tap into their thought process.
Each year since we launched in 2015, we have enrolled a full cohort of early childhood practitioners from a diverse array of settings and backgrounds. The program culminates in a final one-week teaching residency on campus, where ECT students get to put into practice all they've learned about teaching with technology in early childhood at the Elliott Pearson Children's School. Our dream is to make ECT available to every practitioner so they can make an impact in their own schools or communities through their participation in the ECT program.
I had a student in my class that year. She was only in second grade and she couldn't read at all. And when we started using Kibo, it was something that she was able to do. So yes, I loved it.
Despite the success of our program, we were disheartened to hear from dozens of enthusiastic public school teachers and early childhood professionals who were highly qualified to participate, but were unable to afford the travel or lodging during the residency week. Because grant funding is used for tuition scholarships, there is currently no financial aid available to help with travel to campus for this culminating in-person experience. We know that women and minorities are still drastically underrepresented in many STEM fields. Research has shown that early learning interventions can play a role in addressing this gap. In our own funding research, we've seen that offering full or partial financial aid to ECT students has increased our reach with teachers serving children from minoritized and low-income backgrounds and doubled our program's Black, Latino, and Indigenous student representation. We hope that by reaching practitioners who work in resource-stretched childcare settings, serving diverse populations of young children, that this scholarship fund can have a broad impact for early childhood practitioners as well as their communities.
It's not only about teaching them how to code, there's something more. It's going to be something bigger. So the framework was something excellent that added to my curriculum. I enjoyed how in the PTD I'm helping the society.
100% of donations received by this Tufts crowdfunding campaign will go to providing financial aid to qualified public school teachers, librarians, museum educators, and childcare workers who could not otherwise afford this training. Please support our scholarship fund and help us further Tufts' commitment to bringing quality STEM and engineering education into early childhood learning settings all over the world.